Have you ever felt like life gave you a diagnosis you just can't escape? Maybe you, or someone you love, has heard the words kidney disease and felt the weight of that settle in your chest. But what if, just what if, there was hope, even when it feels like the odds are stacked against you? Hi, I'm here to share something that could change the way you see your health. Dr. Barbara O'Neill, a respected natural health educator, has spent decades studying the body's ability to heal itself. And her message is simple: sometimes the most powerful remedies are the ones you find in your own kitchen. Let's talk about one thing that's been making headlines: just 1 tablespoon a day. Yes, you heard me right, just 1 tablespoon. It's not a magic pill or a complicated procedure. It's a natural approach, rooted in science and tradition, and it's something you can start today. So what is this miracle ingredient? It's extra virgin olive oil. Packed with antioxidants and healthy fats, olive oil has shown remarkable benefits for kidney health. It helps reduce inflammation, supports healthy blood pressure, and even protects your cells from damage. Dr. O'Neill explains that by simply adding a tablespoon of high-quality olive oil to your daily routine, perhaps drizzled over a salad or mixed into a smoothie, you could support your kidney's natural ability to repair and restore. But this isn't just about olive oil. It's about believing in your body's potential. I know what it's like to feel powerless, to worry about the future, and to crave just one hopeful answer. The truth is, healing is possible. It doesn't matter what stage you're at. Every small step counts. Every healthy choice you make is a vote for your future self. Imagine waking up with more energy, clearer skin, and a lighter spirit. Imagine the relief of knowing you're taking action no matter how small. That's what Dr. O'Neill wants for you, and so do I. If you found this message helpful, I want to hear from you. Drop a comment below. Tell me your story, your struggles, or maybe just your favorite way to use olive oil. Let's build a community of hope, because together we can inspire change, 1 tablespoon at a time. Remember, always consult your doctor before making any changes, especially if you have a medical condition. But don't let fear hold you back from exploring natural, gentle ways to support your health. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to share this video with someone